Okay, how we calculate the time and how we express the given time in am or pm. Okay, what is am and in which time we say pm. Okay, what is 12-hour clock, 24-hour clock, conversion of 12-hour to 24-hour clock. Okay, and 24-hour to 12-hour. In this video I am going to show you the topics about 12 hour, 24 hour, and based on these problems also there we learn today in this video. Okay, what is time, children? We always know time is very important. We know that a clock is help us to know the time. Okay, in this we have hours, minutes and seconds. These are hours. Okay, we have 12 hours clock here. Okay, now in this these are minutes. Okay, these four lines makes minutes. In between fifth line we have 4 minutes. In total we have another line, that is seconds line. Third pointer shows the seconds pointer. Okay, we use hours, minutes, and small one is hours and this is minutes, and seconds measure time. Okay, these all measures total time. Okay, first of all, 12-hour clock. 12-hour clock, what is this? 12-hour clock, in this time shown in the clocks is, if you have given like this, 12 is there, 6 is there, 3 here and 9 here. If I am doing the hours and minutes, two pointers are in same number, that is 5, 4, like this. It shows the first, this clock is showing the 12-hour clock and this is in 6:30. Time showing is 6:30. Okay, if you have given the clock like this, same 6:30 I am taking. In this also 12, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. In this, two hands of the clock rotate twice. This is 24-hour clock. Okay, similar, same twice a day. If you have 24-hour clock, it is 12-hour clock. Okay, this is 6:30, and in the second case it is in the evening. Okay, this is in the morning and this is, there are 12 hours in between. A day consists of 12 and it repeats again twice a day. Twice a day. Okay, the pointer rotates 12 two times. Okay, first time at the midnight of our day starts and that is 12 a.m. From that time we are 12 a.m. It starts from 12 a.m. and at the 6:30 a.m. This shows 6:30 a.m. and again it comes to 12 in the afternoon, mid of the day it comes to afternoon 12. Then it starts at 12 p.m. it becomes. If again the pointer comes to 12, then that becomes p.m. of the day. Okay, then it becomes 6:30, that is 6:30 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. This is am and it is pm. Okay, now this is in the morning and this is evening. Okay, this is twice, rotating twice. We have some points to remember, that is 1 hour is equal to how many minutes now? 12 hours, this pointer comes to twice. Okay, 10, this will be 5 5 5. Now 5 5 10 15 20 25 30, and this 30 again, this also 30. So what 30 plus 30 means? How many minutes? 60 minutes. Total how many minutes we have? 60 minutes. Okay, now another point we have to remember is 1 minute is equal to how many seconds, children? 60 seconds. The seconds pointer also goes on line by line. Okay, 60 seconds are there. Okay, 60 minutes are there and 60 seconds. 1 minute it completes 60 seconds. Okay, but 1 hour it completes 60 minutes. Okay, so 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds it will take. Okay, 1 hour is equal to how many seconds, children? 60 into 60. How many? 6 6 are 36. 2 zeros we have to add. 36,600 seconds we will get. 1 day. In 1 day, how many hours are there? 2 times it repeats the pointer, 12 and again 12 in the evening. Then it becomes 12 in the night. We get the morning of the next day. Okay, midnight of the day, next day starts. 12 a.m. it becomes. Okay. Now twice of 12 means 12, 24 hours are there in 1 day. Okay, we have to remember this table. I am showing in this table form so that we have to this used in problems. If you convert the hour into minutes, we have to use this table. If you convert seconds to hours, we have to use this. Okay, so we have to remember this important table, children. The 24-hour clock, now I am going to show you 24-hour clock. Now 24-hour clock means what? We have to a 12-hour clock, what we generally use, 24-hour clock is used in bus stands, railway stations and airlines. Okay, 12 hours, 24 hours clock is used. We don't use AM or PM in 24-hour clock. Okay, 24-hour clocks are denoted as like this, hours and minutes. Okay, that is midnight in 24 hour is denoted as 00 hours. Okay, 24 hours refers to midnight of the next day. I have already told 12 hours in midnight is the next day. Okay, 12 a.m. it starts the next day. Okay, now 8:45, for example, 8:45 a.m. is expressed as, in this form we will write as 08:45 hours. Okay, this means minutes, this means hours here, and this means what? Minutes. This is 24-hour clock. Okay, now at 12 noon is expressed as 12 hours. 12 hours. Now 12 noon is expressed as 12 hours. 12 midnight is expressed as, it is midnight. Okay, 2 digits from the left gives the hours, and 2 digits from right it gives the minutes of the clock. Okay, now conversion of, what is the topic next? Conversion of 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. Okay, rules to convert the 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. Okay, for AM, what we have? For AM we have, and for PM, from midnight of the next day we say AM, and after noon we start again the 12 o'clock, it starts from PM. Next rotation it comes to 12, no, then it starts PM. Okay, the AM time is 12-hour clock. 12-hour clock unchanged when converted to the 24-hour clock. For PM we should add 12 to the time which is in PM. Just add 12 to the number of hours, write number as it in 24 hours. That is, for example, 2:45 PM is given, then 2:45 we have to add 12 hours. Okay, that is 14:45 hours we have to add 12 for 24-hour clock. It is 12-hour clock. Okay, it is 12 clock and 24-hour clock. Then if example here it is given 2:45 PM, 12 hour is 2:45 PM. here 2:45 PM in 12-hour clock. Example 6 PM is given. In now in 24-hour clock we say it as 6 PM plus 12, that is 18 hours we say. We have to add 12 to the 12-hour clock for 24-hour clocks. We say 18 hours. Okay, now 7:30 AM. Then what? For example, 7:30 AM means what you will say? 7:30 hours. This is AM, no? So we have to write in this way, 7:30 hours we say. Okay, in PM only we have to add 12 for getting 24-hour clock time. Okay, now conversion of next I will show the conversion of 24-hour clock to 12 hour. Okay, now what we have to do here? Less than 12, if 24-hour clock see here, this is 24-hour clock, this is 12-hour clock. Less than 12, sorry, by this you can understand 24-hour and 12-hour. For example, 3:45 hours are there. We have to convert this into 12 hour. What you will do? 0:45 AM we say. And second example, 00:30 hours. Next, what you will say? 12:30 a.m. we say. This means 12. Okay, 12:30 hours means 12:30 a.m. Now example again, 13:40 hours. So convert into 12 hours clock. 13:40 minus 12 we have to say. Now this will give 1:40 p.m. Okay, 13 minus 12 1 and 40 again, this is 00. Example again, another one, 21 to 20 hours. This converted to 21:40, 20 minus 12, then what we'll get? 9:20 p.m. So this way we have to convert 24-hour clock to 12-hour clocks, and 12-hour clocks to, in third topic I have conversion of 12-hour clock to 24. We have to add 12 here for 24-hour clock. Okay, in 12-hour clock, if you have given like this, we have to add 12, but 24 hours is given, we have to convert, we have to subtract 12. Okay, like this we get the conversion of time from 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. Okay, now if you have conversion of time, to convert, some points are to remember here. To convert hours to minutes, what we have to do? Hours to minute, we have to simply multiply by 60. Next, for minutes to hours, what we have to do? Divide by 60. Okay, to convert hours to minute, multiply by 60. To convert minutes to hours, we have to divide by 60. Okay, vice versa. To convert now minutes to seconds, then what we have to do? Multiply by 60. Minutes to seconds, we have to multiply. To convert seconds to minutes, we have to do simply divide by 60. We have to do in problems. So these points are very important, so please go through these points. 1, 2. Okay, this is third point, this is fourth point. Minutes to second, we have to multiply 60. Seconds to minutes, divide by 60. Okay, if you have given problem based on this conversion and minutes to and seconds, hours, we have to use these tricks. Okay, now if you have given Raju spends 5:15 minutes, if problem is given like this, example, in school, minutes in school, how many hours and minutes is that? We have to show this in hours and minutes. 5:15 minutes he spends in school. How many hours and minutes is that? We have to write this answer in minutes and hours. So what we have? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, we know from table I am taking this point, important point. Okay, so 5:15 it is given. How many minutes? 5:15. That is, convert this. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 5:15 hours. So 5:15 divided by 60 we have to do. Okay, 5:15 by 60 we have to divide. 68 is 480 we get. Now what we have to do? Subtract here 5, you will get 35 is the remainder. It is minutes, remainder is minutes, and this is hours. Okay, please remember this. First division, this quotient is becomes hours and remainder becomes minutes. So quotient what you have? 8 and remainder is 35. So 5:15 equal to how many? 8 hours. We have to convert this in 8 hours and minutes. 8 hours and 35 minutes. I am completed this answer. We have conversion of minutes into minutes and hours I have converted. So like this we have to use the tips. Okay, given here points to remember. No, 1 2 3 4 5 points here, 4 points here, and this table we have to remember. Whenever we have to convert this, we have to use this table. Another example I am going to show, simple example, so that you can do problems easily from textbook. Okay, Chandu takes 12 minutes 60 seconds to reach school. Okay, how many seconds is that? How many seconds? We have to find in seconds, convert in seconds. Given is 12 minutes equal to 12 into 60 seconds. We have to convert, no? So 720 seconds. Now 12 minutes what it is? Question, 12 minutes 60 seconds. Now what? 12 minutes means 720 seconds we are converted, and 60 seconds. Total 720 plus 60 seconds. So what? 750. Okay, here 720 seconds plus 60, no, 680, 780 seconds. Total 780 seconds are there. So we have converted. Chandu takes 12 minutes 60 seconds to total how many seconds? How many seconds is that? Means 780 seconds total. He takes 780 seconds to reach school. Okay, like this we have to do the problems. Okay, thank you for watching, children. This is concept of time. If you watch complete video, you can understand the concept what I am going to tell you. The 12-hour conversion, 24-hour problems also. Okay, what table we have to use while doing the problems. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos in maths. Okay.